everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting into the data analytics, always one question that comes up in again and again in your mind. Should I learn Power BI or Tableau? And honestly, it's a great question because both tools are super popular. Both are used by real companies and both can land you a great job, but they are not the same tool, and choosing the wrong one, your situation can waste months of your time. So in this video, I am going to break down clearly what each tool does, how they compare on cost, learning curve, and jobs, and why the and you will know exactly which one to start and with. Let's get into. So first of all, what are these tools exactly? First, let's understand first quick overview. First of all, Power BI. Power BI is the nothing but is a Microsoft Business Intelligence tool. If you have used Excel, you already feel comfortable in this ecosystem. Power BI lets you to connect to data, build dashboards, and share reports across your organization, all within the Microsoft 365 world. It uses something called DAX. Maybe you have already heard. DAX is nothing but data analysis expression for creating custom calculations, and it connects beautifully with Excel, Azure, SQL Server, and SharePoint. And let's talk about Tableau now. On the other hand, this Tableau is nothing but now, first of all, it's owned by Salesforce. It was acquired back in 2019, and Tableau has been the gold standard for data visualization over a decade. It has its own visual query language called VisualQL, and it is designed to handle very large data set while still giving you gorgeous interactive charts. Both tools are drag and drop based, no coding required here to get started. Yes, so let's discuss about ease of learning now. Now, yes. So if you will talk about the ease of learning here, uh, if you are completely beginner, especially if you have used Microsoft product before, I will suggest you Power BI is the easier to pick up. The interface feels familiar. The concepts are similar to Excel, and Microsoft has done a great job here with free tutorials and documentation. I would rate Power BI friendliness at around 85 to out of 100. Okay, if we'll talk about the Tableau is a powerful, but it has a slightly steeper learning curve. The interface is a bit more complex, and concepts like dimensions, like measures and calculator fields that takes little bit some time to understand. Okay, I would rate Tableau at around 70 out of 100 for beginner friendliness. Now, this doesn't mean Tableau is a hard. It's just that Power BI gives you a quick wins faster. So, beginner on learning curve should go with the Power BI. Okay, let's talk about cost comparison. Is the thing get really interesting here, especially if you are a student or self-learner. Power BI desktop is a completely free. You can download it today and start learning. Power BI Pro costs around $10 per user per month for teams. And if you are a student, Microsoft offer free access through Microsoft Learn. Okay, let's talk about Tableau. Tableau public is a free, but your work is publicly visible, not ideal for sensitive data. Tableau Creator is around $75 per month. That is significantly more expensive. Tableau does offers a free student program. So if you are in a college, check that out. Okay. So if budget is a concern, and for a beginners, it is a Power BI is the clear winner here. Okay, so winner on cost, Power BI by a wide margin here. Let's discuss about job market and industry demand. Okay, so this is the big one. Let's first talk about the jobs. Okay, based on the recent job posting for data analyst roles, Power BI appears in roughly 58% of job listing. It is the most commonly required BI tools right now. And if we'll talk about the Tableau shows up in about 35% of job ads and about 7% of listing asked for both. So if you want sheer volume of job opportunities, Power BI wins here. But here is the twist here. Tableau skills tend to command higher salaries. Analysts with the Tableau on their resume often earn 10 to 15% more than the Power BI counterparts. Why this happened? Because Tableau is primarily used by larger enterprises, Fortune 500 companies, tech giants, and analytics heavy businesses. Power BI dominates in small to medium businesses, finance and operation teams. So the question is here, do you want more job option or do you want to aim for higher paying enterprise level roles? So no single winner here. It depends on your goal, not a winner. Not which one you should learn now? Next, which one you should learn if you will ask me? All right, let me make this really simple for you guys. Choose Power BI. If you already in a Microsoft ecosystem using Excel, Teams, or Azure, you want to land your first data analyst job quickly. You are targeting finance, operations, consulting, or small to mid-sized companies. If budget is a concern, free tool matters to you. So that time you should choose Power BI. And choose Tableau if you are serious about data visualization and want to create stunning complex charts. If you are targeting large enterprise or tech companies, you eventually want to move into senior analyst or data science roles. You are willing to invest more time in learning for the bigger long-term returns. Okay. So now quick verdict here. Let me summarize the scorecard quickly. Ease of learning. If we'll talk about ease of learning, Power BI. Cost, Power BI is the best. Visualization quality, then Tableau. Job volume, Power BI. Salary potential, Tableau. Enterprise use, Tableau. So Power BI wins on accessibility. Tableau wins on depth and prestige. And here's my honest pro tip here. Learn Power BI first. Get your foundation solid. Land your first role, and then layer in the Tableau. Companies love and then layer in the Tableau, because company loves candidates who know both, and it puts you in top 5% of applicants. Okay, so let's talk about call to action, what you should take. That's nothing but now I am going to wrap up on Power BI versus Tableau. I hope this gives you clarity you need here. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more data analytics or data science content every week. Comment below which tool are you planning to learn, Power BI or Tableau. I read every single comment here, and share this video with someone who's just getting started in data. It might save them a lot of time. See you in next video. Keep learning. Thank you.